Hello. Here we are again with another market update. And today, guys, like, you can't make this up. Um, we bought here. I was saying it's bouncing off this line. The target is 44.70. So we sold at 44.70. And I believe just in 1 hour, we shot back down to these lower levels. Right. That easy. Like if you took that trade with me, again, 4%, that's not bad, right? When it's choppy, that like this is where my trading strategy makes money. You just choose a range, right? You buy here, you sell here. You buy here again, you sell here again. You buy here, right? You sell here. You buy here again, sell, right up here. And then if it goes down and it does something different, then we react accordingly. But we just make sure to take these, right? Ethereum does this all the time. Creates like a 5% range and it'll just trade. It's not happened so much lately, but I believe I've taken some of these little 2%. You can get these. It's 5% there, right? And then obviously, if you catch these nice big moves like this, then you get a nice payday. But those are once a week movements. You know what I mean? So, what Ethereum does more often than not is stuff like this, right? Stuff like this. Stuff like this. This. And those are the type of trades that I take because that's from this, I think it was 4%, 3%, three times, I believe, this week. Yeah, like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, over the course of the week, it went up and down 5% three times. So if you caught that, you'd have gotten a total of like 12% or so. 12, 15%. So yeah. Um, just wanted to give an update. Yeah, this is a real bearish sign. Um, that it, pushed down this quickly. Um, Again, it's still the same on the monthly frame. We're fighting on if this is going to be a bullish month or a bearish month. Um, the volatility is picking up because it's Friday, right? We only have, I shouldn't say only, I think it's something like 8 hours left in the day. So, I expect either we have like a really strong movement in either direction, breaking this. So like if you want to do any sort of scalp, you would just take right the top here. So 40 5 like 10 or 40, 7 41.70. I think if we break below those levels, we'll take a huge move down to this level here, the buy two, or we'll take a huge move up to 46 or so. But again, in my opinion, what I think is most likely going to happen is we're going to stay as this doji candle, um, and just kind of stay in indecision. Regardless, I'm not really um, worried because, right, if it goes down, we buy. If it goes up, we sell. So that's all. Um, if you appreciate these market updates, feel free to subscribe. I do these market updates pretty much daily, or at least when something interesting happens. Right, in a place like this, I might not really make too much um, videos. But if there's any strong movement to the upside or the downside, you know, a few percent, I'll make a video. And yeah, leave a comment if you want. Like the video if you like it. Happy trading, everybody.